Hello, my name is Anastasia from Creative Customized Programming, and today I wanted to discuss how to change your screen resolution options in order to optimize FileMaker. So this is one of the largest complaints that we get is when people click on menu that they only have a couple of options that show up, or when they try and click on one of the buttons, it's not actually doing what you would think it would do. So in this case, if you click on customers, it doesn't actually take you to the customer screen, but it does nothing or takes you to a different screen. This is largely due to your display settings. So in order to change your display settings, what you're going to want to do from your desktop is right-click. You can either click Personalize or you can go to straight to Screen Resolution. Here, you're going to want to change it. We recommend going to a higher setting. However, that does make all of your icons look smaller as well as shows you more space on your desktop. So you might want to play around and find a good balance that's still large enough for you to see and read everything. However, it will still show all of the options correctly in the FileMaker program. So once you select your options, click Apply. It'll ask if you want to keep your changes. And then now if we go back into FileMaker, you can see here that we can see more of the page in FileMaker. However, the font is smaller. And from your menu, you can now see your whole list. Just so you know from before, if you do not see your whole list, there is a scroll option in here, and I will show that to you real quick. So you can scroll through and you can actually view your other menu options. The same thing for these tabs. Sometimes if you're not seeing all of your tabs, there can be a scroll button here that allows you to see one of the final tabs on the end. Okay, so if we minimize this back down, I'll change my screen resolution back, hit apply, and then keep the changes. The other option that you do want to change, if you click Personalize here and you click Display, is the make it easier to read what's on your screen. So for all of the buttons to work in FileMaker, you do need to set it to 100% default. If you have it on large or medium, this is when you'll start to click on a button, but it won't actually go to the button that you think it's going to. The reason is because what you're viewing on the screen, the buttons don't line up to what's actually in the FileMaker program. So always make sure you have 100% smaller detected. Sometimes when you go to this screen, you may see just a bar across the middle here that looks like a volume button. You see that button, there will be a check mark underneath, a little checkbox. If you click that checkbox, it will bring you up these smaller, medium, and larger options versus a scale bar. And that is how you change your system settings in order to optimize the FileMaker program. I hope this answered all of your questions. If you have any feedback on this tutorial or other tutorials you would like to see in the future, please let us know. Thank you.